Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save your passwords on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Passwords app on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Enter the website or app's name. In the username field, enter the username if you want. Then in the passwords field, enter the password that you want to save. Also add some notes if you like. Once you are done, tap on the save button from the top right corner and save the password. And this is how you can save passwords on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.